Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the ORBIC MYRA 5G Ultra Wideband for visible by Verizon. So this is a 5G budget mid-range smartphone for $349.99. The color option is black, and you guys with 64 gigabytes of storage. So this will have access to Verizon's 5G Ultra Wideband network. So that is pretty cool. So that's why the price is $349. So yeah, this phone is a bit older. This phone is new to visible, but this phone's been out for like a year or two on Verizon prepaid. So keep that in mind when getting this phone here. So there is the front of the phone there, very nice looking clock. I do like the clock, and the wallpaper is very cool too. Yeah, power button and volume keys on the right side of the phone there, and I can't tell if you got like a teardrop notch on the phone or if it's a hole punch on the phone for the front facing camera or not. Somewhere in this area, it's kind of hard to tell with the wallpaper. So the color of the wallpaper blends in with the screen, so it's kind of hard to tell. So yeah, your front facing camera is somewhere in this area where my mouse is. So yeah, you also will have your earpiece above that. So yeah. So left side probably has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the ORBIC MYRA, you guys have your triple camera system, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and you also have your ORBIC logo there on the back. Very nice and clean there on the back. Very nice and clean. And then there it is on the right side, power button and volume keys. All right. Says here, meet the ORBIC MYRA 5G smartphone, a device with all the features you love at an affordable price. Enjoy a large LCD scratch-resistant display, a triple rear camera system, and fast speeds with 5G connectivity. The long-lasting battery will keep you connected during these busy days while on the go, and with a reasonable price tag, you can take advantage of speed, power, and quality while staying on budget. Now with the coverage of 5G and the unprecedented performance of 5G Ultra Wideband, so not bad for $350. So that's why the price is at $350. So keep that in mind. Best for members that are interested in a powerful and stylish smartphone with blazing speed of 5G at an affordable price. Of course, this is a 5G compatible device. I don't know why it does it. Every time I click down on my keyboard, it takes me back up here. I don't know why it does it every time. It is annoying. Roaming on Visible Plus. Good news, your device is compatible with roaming in Mexico and Canada. Make sure you're on the right plan, Visible Plus plan it is, and your passport is up to date, alright? Specs, the ORBIC MYRA has a 6.78 inch Full HD plus display, TFT LCD 60Hz display, so nothing special about the display there. Pretty much standard stuff. You're paying for the 5G Ultra Wideband, so the price might not justify the display or anything, but you're paying for the faster 5G coverage. So that's why the phone's $350. The ORBIC MYRA weighs 6.7 ounces. Dimensions 6.81 inches height, 3.14 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. I don't know if those dimensions are correct because 3.14 inches width is a bit. I don't know. It's kind of weird to me. They probably are right dimensions. I'm not really sure. It takes a nano SIM card. There is no eSIM support on this phone here. It takes a nano SIM card. It runs Android 11, so phone is a bit older. It's at to be 3 OSs behind because Android 14 will be out later this fall, so stay tuned for that. It has Android 11, and I doubt it did not get 12. I doubt it because I don't know what ORBIC's track record is of software updates or stuff like that. I don't know what the track record is, so it probably has Android 11 and it'll probably stay there forever. So keep that in mind when buying this phone. So if software updates are important to you, I'd stay away from the phone. Rear cameras, y'all guys get 3 of them. Y'all guys get a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth camera with flash on the rear, 16 megapixel front camera. It has a Snapdragon processor. I don't know what the chipset. I don't know what the exact chipset is. I know that it is a Snapdragon processor. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage with a micro SD card slot. So take advantage of that. 5,000 mAh battery. It has fingerprint and facial recognition, so that's pretty cool. And you have 5G sub-6 gigahertz and C-band roaming, of course, on Visible Plus plan. What comes in the box is your ORBIC MYRA 5G smartphone, Type-C cable, wall charger, some ejection tool, data cable, which is Type-C, like I just said, and your brochures. So you send it stuff in the box there. So if you guys want to learn more about the ORBIC MYRA 5G, I will have the link down below as well, so y'all guys can learn more about the features and specs of the phone. So pretty cool there. So yeah, there you guys go. The ORBIC MYRA 5G is now here at Visible. It's new to Visible, but the phone's been out for over like a year or two on Verizon prepaid. The phone runs Android 11, so that might be a deal breaker for a lot of folks, especially the phone's $350. That might not be worth it, because if software updates are important to you, I would stay away from the phone. I'd stay away from it, because I doubt the phone got Android 12. I doubt it, because I don't know what ORBIC's track record is of software updates. I don't know what the track record is. So it came with Android 11, and it's probably gonna be there forever. So yeah. So $350. I mean, it might be a bit steep for what you're getting here. Like I said, this phone is new to Visible, but this phone's been out for over like a year or two on Verizon prepaid. So this phone is a bit older, so that's why it has Android 11 on board. So don't freak out too much on that, because this phone's been out since 2021, 2022, something like that. So the price tag for $350 might be a little steep for some people, but if you guys want to spend $350 on this, go for it. You're paying $350 for it because of the 5G, ultra wideband coverage. That's why you're paying $350 for it. So that's why. So if you guys need the 5G ultra wideband coverage and you guys like this phone, it might be worth $350 to you. But for some people, it might be a deal breaker because of the 3-year-old OS, about to be 3-year-old OS. Android 11 is about to be 3 years old, because Android 14 will be out soon. So yeah, I mean, the phone looks alright. I mean, the phone looks alright. I do like the wallpaper, and I do like the clock, and so that's pretty cool, you know. I mean, it's not like, I mean, is it like the best looking phone? No. Is it terrible? No. I mean, y'all guys can check it out if you guys are interested in the phone. It's a new to Visible, like I said, but the phone's been out for like a year or two on Verizon prepaid. So yeah. So it's your money. You spend it how you want to. I mean, if you guys want to spend $350 on it, try it out and take it back. If you guys don't like the phone, that's on you. So yeah, there you guys go. The ORBIC MYRA is now here at Visible for $349 full retail price with a 3-year-old OS. But hey, I'm sure that you can probably get a custom ROM on this thing and put Android 13 on it, possibly. I'm not really sure, but you can try anyway. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it really helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.